Some of my friends have problem that they are not able to understand what needs to be done in this life. They have no purpose, they have no goal, they have no passion. They are simply living their life. But somehow in their minds, they are thinking that it's not good, or how I improve myself. What is my passion? What is my purpose? So I have given them a solution to simply take out 1 hour from 24 hours and then exclusively for yourself. And in that 1 hour, do not pick up your phone, talk to anyone, exclude everything, electronic media, your friends, family members, and that 1 hour exclusively for yourself to analyze yourself. Hour of self-awareness. You simply, what are the things that you can analyze in that? Like, what is my current state? What I am doing right now is the thing that I want to do. What is the purpose? What is the passion? What is my goal? Are the steps that I am taking right now are right or wrong? Write all the things, whatever come to your mind. See the things. Is the right path you are going on, or is the wrong path? What are the activities you are doing in a day-to-day? Simply put 1 hour of 24 hours for exclusively yourself, for your self-awareness, and see the things. Do this activity at least for 7 days and see what you have seen. Note down each and every thought. Do not push back. Write something. What are you doing right now? Where you want to go? Are there any hindrance in that? Are you any lack of skills is there? Or lack of opportunities? Are resources not there? What is the problem? Why are not you doing that? Is there any specific thing that you can do to achieve your goals? So my suggestion to all my friends who are listening to video or watching this video, simply take out 1 hour from 24 hours exclusively for yourself and analyze yourself. Make self-awareness about yourself. Do the things. Do this activity. And let me know in the below comments what you feel. So we will meet tomorrow again with a new thought. So till then, goodbye.